There is a problem with Google Calendars and deleting multiple, or what's referred to as bulk deleting entries. If it's a recurring entry, it's pretty easy. You go to hit delete and you can delete this event, all of the ones following, or all events. That's really pretty easy to delete recurring events. But my problem is not recurring events. My problem is events that are entered in that are maybe a part of a series but weren't entered in as recurring. You can see on the 1st of the month, I have banana pudding. If I go to the 1st of August, there's banana pudding. The 1st of September, banana pudding. Now, I can't get rid of those en masse without clicking on every one of them. And looking at it from this view or any view in the calendar, I got to go find them. It's easier to do a search, look for banana, and get all of those listed up in a search list or the search view, and then hover over the word banana pudding and watch this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me just do them fast, quickly. It's still 2 clicks on every one of them, but I do it all from this window, and when I refresh this search results, they're all gone. If I go back to get out of search, you can see July 1st, it's gone. August 1st, it's gone, and on and on. There's a problem with deleting multiple events in Google Calendar. I would much rather be able to go here and look at the schedule and select them and then delete. But Google doesn't want us to have that ability. So the better way of doing it is to bring them up in a search list. And then from the search list, click and delete, click and delete, click and delete. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. I don't have a great workaround, but I got a better way of deleting multiple entries from your Google Calendar. And I hope that this is helpful for you.